In this video, I'll detail how to hide notification content from lock screen on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you receive all your notifications on your lock screen on your iPhone on iOS 18, this video is going to walk you through how you can easily hide all notifications on your lock screen if you're using the iOS 18 device. So if you're done with this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To do this, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down until you get the notifications and click on that. Now, once you selected notifications, scroll down here and here, come to schedule summary. Make sure this is turned off. Turn this off. Then come here and click on show previews. Then select never. Then once you selected never under show previews, this is going to disable all notifications on your iPhone lock screen and no preview is going to come up. So whenever you have a notification on your iPhone just like this, then notifications will stop coming up on that lock screen. So this way you can easily hide notifications on lock screen on your iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.